Hi, welcome to WinTrader. I'm Syam. Today I'm going to show you WinTrader 8.1 how working in NSE market, especially in Nifty market. This is today's Nifty chart. Now you are watching. This is live market now. So how the this video show you that how the signals are working and how we can take a confirmed signal and the profit, how much profit we earn from the one signal. Those all will get from this demo video. So first we'll show you how the charts are working, how the signals we can enter the trades. So this is Nifty chart now. Nifty current market price showing on the right corner 9221.20 is the live market price, and it's today we got a buy signals. Actually one signal only we generated, new signal generated only one signal, but already we got a sell signal. Yesterday we got a sell signal and it's continue that sell signal from today morning itself. Because if you want to continue a sell or buy signal from yesterday, we need to get a re-entry suggestion. Here you will get re-entry suggestion. The re-entry suggestion will get there only you can enter the trade. Today definitely today morning we got a re-entry price. Actually the sell today morning market was open from this level, almost the price of 9145 or something, and maybe you can enter the trade re-entry generation almost 9115 or something. That re-entry signal generated and the market went down up to 9115 to 9035. It's already down, and the same here we got a buy. Today's a new signal generated with a green arrow, a green buy signal generated, and the buy signal we earn, how much profit we earn. And before enter a signal we need to confirm that signal. Confirm is after the green arrow the bottom band color should be green. This first band color should be green, and the price in buy zone only we can confirm that signal like this. Need to check these both the confirmation, and also an important thing is that candle color. The candle color continuously must be on green if the buy signal generate. In this case here the green arrow generated, but candle color was not fully confirmed. Actually we can confirm the candle from here onwards. Here onwards we can enter the second candle onwards, you can enter the trades. It's almost the same position we got the signal. Actually the buy confirm buy signal generated at what price, it should be display here on top, buy at what price, and the targets are in below. Target 1, target 2, target 3. 3 target with the trailing stop loss will generate here. If any signal generate, you will get an alert message like this. This alert message will show you the buy signal generated at what price and that what's the target. Those all will get from the alert message. Here I'll show you this kind of alert. The scanner alert is mostly it's generated here. If any new signal generate also will get the alert. The scanner buy trend detected or new signal triggered or like that, you will get the alert messages. So in this case here the buy call generated on 9108 and the market went up to 9263, means 9108 to 9264 or something. It's up already. That means almost 150 points above we earn profit. So 150 means in Nifty case we earned almost 11,000 above rupees from a single signal. Today this is the actually is 12th of May 2020 signal. Today morning after that we get the buy signal, then its confirmation, all the confirmation was there, and the price was generated from 9108 and all target was achieved, and the market for totally full up to 9264 or something. So this is the things. So only the simple thing we just want to follow. If a signal generate after the green arrow, the band color tend to green and the price in buy zone. If this and the candle color also should be green. If these three confirmation if you check after the signal generation, we can simply earn the money and we can simply profit the trade. This is just for an example I am showing this. The same way it will be works in all the pairs. If the cell call generator, here the red arrow generated, after the red arrow the band turned to red from here onwards, this day level onwards the trend. Actually cell call generated on this candle. At the third candle full confirmation we got 93182. yesterday it's down up to 9318 to 9198. Sorry, 9198 is already down. So you can calculate the point, how much profit we earned from the single signal, from a signal. So, and another advantage, if after the signal, if you exit with the trade, if you exit with the target, and after that is there any chance to went up the market, we will get re-entry suggestion. Frequent re-entry suggestion will generate here. So you can exit with the re-entry suggestion. This because maximum riskless trading is preferable with the re-entry suggestion. A small profit you can earn with that re-entry suggestion generation with the sell price, new entry price with the new targets. Stop loss we can keep the same because it's trailing stop loss. It will be modified. We need to modify in our terminal. So this is from a single trade how we earn 11,000 above rupees that we are just showing here. You can add all the charts. This is the market watch. In left side you can see the market watch. Once you add some scripts in market watch, for adding scripts just right click here and select symbols. There you can see all the symbols. All the symbols means MCX, NSE, NCDX, all will be there. All Forex, including Forex, COMEX, MCX, NSE F&O, NSE Sport, this cash one, NCDS, Nifty options all. So which one you need na, just select that. If you want MCX, just MCX, and if NSE na, NSE, from NSE just double click the script, it will be added to market watch. So once you double click now, if you click Apollo tiles, it will be a golden color show, and that script you can see on market watch here, this one. So, and one more advantage is if you select the scripts in market watch, that you can see it from scanner. This is scanner window, WinTrader scanner 1.2. this is our template in new version. And the scanner advantage is you no need to open those old charts. You just select the scripts in market watch only. From market watch it will scan. The scanner will help you to scan and give you the result, which is in buy mode and which stock in sell mode. So, and it will give you the alert from here itself. If any new signal generated na, the new signal generator like that, you will get alert. Just simply you go to the chart. If you want Nifty na, just click on the Nifty chart, this arrow mark only, the Nifty chart will be open then. So simply you can go for the chart. If the confirmation there, you can enter the trade. So this is the trade, how we can trade with WinTrader 8.1. Hope you enjoy the video, hope you like the video, and if any doubt for the clarification, feel free to call me. My number is 9061 308080, and you can fill up the contact form in our website also, www.wintradersoft.com and wintrader.in, both our website. You can check all the details there too. If any further clarification, feel free to contact me. Thank you.